Do you have an Apple Watch, or you just got it newly or used, and now you want to fix the Apple Watch band or Apple Watch strap? Then this video is going to walk you through how to fix Apple Watch band or Apple Watch strap. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. For each Apple Watch that you have, you're going to have a complete strap or band, then it's going to be left and right. And this depends on the hand you want to use your Apple Watch to. You can turn this to the right, use this on left, or use this on left and use this on right. So it doesn't matter, as you also be able to change the orientation of your Apple Watch later. Then what you just need to do here is this: locate the Apple Watch band, take the Apple Watch band, then turn the watch itself just like this. Then you want to place the band like this to key into this hole on your Apple Watch. You see that? So let's go. Just do it like this. And once you hear a clip, a very silent clip that shows the Apple Watch band is now fixed, then repeat the same thing on the second hole. So it has to be done gently. Just push it in, and once you hear a very little clip or chime that shows the Apple Watch band is fixed, you see that? And then you're good to go. So that is it. So that is basically how to fix or put in Apple Watch band or Apple Watch strap. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.